Hi there. So I'm gonna go over the trade that I took in the morning session. Today I took two entries. First was a break even, second was obvious loss. I closed the entry as soon as it's flipped this 5 hourly gap. This is where my friend go for long, and I was not confident. I trusted this change the state and this flip all the 5 hourly gap after sweeping the Asian London Asian high. After sweeping the Asian high, it swept one more time, changing the state in Ocean. So I trusted this model to see at least to the London low, which is a equal low, London low and the Asian low to take. But unfortunately, it gets stopped out since the order flow is higher and price inside the daily for bullish fair value gap. It already swept the 15 minutes fair value gap. And the stay and the structure, everything was higher. So I'm just explaining the entries in 1 minute. Uh, okay. So reason for that entry, this is where the market open go all the way up, sweep what? Swept the Asian high, but it failed to take clear out this liquidity, failed to clear out this liquidity, get into this 1 hour fair value gap. It's failed to reach that place. And what happened then? It's give the tiny flip. As soon as I get flipped, it get flipped. I entered my position to the stop at the high, expecting the price to give some lower prices at least to the equal low. That was my game plan, London low. But unfortunately, it just swept the market opening candle and going up. So as soon as I see this sweep, I break on my trade and I get stopped at break even. Second entry, it's going up. Still it's failed to get into this level, failed to sweep the liquidity. It just flip the high, flip all the family with this change in the state. I trusted this model. It was a really nice model after the session high. It went a high, low sweep, change the state with big displacement. So I trusted this model to see lower prices at least to this equal, or at least to London session at Asian session. Before I see the price to go higher. But unfortunately, my billing fair value got flipped here, and my friend was not executing this position, but instead he executed the buy position here. So as soon as it's flipped this fair value gap here, somewhere around here, I closed my position, even though my stop was there. I manually closed it, which was not advisable. I did that, and by that way I reduced my loss. I thought of executing buy entry as soon as I get stopped out. As soon as I close the position, I have the plan to go for a buy here. But since I set my trade limit was two in trade top step, so it automatically blocked my account for 7 hours, so I'm not able to trade the whole session. So I'm only allowed to trade two trades. So I executed this one, break even. The second one is obvious loss. That's it. I my two shots was over, so I'm not able to execute any position after that. Even though I have a good buyers, like it's flip and it's get flip and this value holding the price pushing higher. And here it's also from the family. We can execute some position here, put the stop at this low and targeting some higher prices. Even though I did that, this should be the first target because this is the liquidity which aligned with this liquidity and this 1 hour fair value gap. Now we don't know what's going to happen. It might hold the price and pushing lower towards what I don't know, towards this level, towards the equilibrium level, London low, Asian low. It's going to go lower or it's going to go higher. No one knows, right? So anyway, you should close some positions here. So entering the position right here is not something advisable, to be honest, since it aligned with this inversion with this fair value gap and this liquidity. So, but unfortunately, I didn't do anything since my account was locked. So it was a really nice move. You can clearly see that. It's pretty essentially in the downside. There is no structure, to be honest. There is no structure. It's kind of so after sweeping this low, it's give this changing the state, but it's failed to go higher, come all the way down. It still it's not even cleared out this liquidity. It's printed the engineered the liquidity and not even tap the fair value gap. Come all the way down, swept this low and swept some sort of liquidity. You can clearly see this is some sort of liquidity in high time frame as well. And it failed to clear up these lows, but instead it's swept this low. As soon as it swept this low, it was SMT in with ES failed to clear up this low, and I got inversion. It's not only inverse but also created this five earlier, but getting that one getting tapped and big displacement. If the market is really bearish, this model should hold the price and pushing lower. But unfortunately, what happened? Parallel getting flipped and its price closed above this range, and both family are holding the price pushing higher, and you can clearly see this family here is clearly holding the price pushing at the after there is some manipulation. Tyler entered here and gets stopped out for the second time. He set his limit order here and gets stopped out. I entered my manual position. Here I get tempted, but I was not executed any position. I'm waiting for something to happen. Um, which is like what? This is the thing, right? So what I'm expecting here, okay. So what I'm expecting here is, yeah, it's sweep all the liquidity, get into this 1 hour fair value here, big down close candle which indicates a change in the state, which indicates a change in the state, yeah, obviously. But the thing is, the real change in the state is it should close below this swing lows and it should flip this value. If it was happened, I can confidently execute this position and put the stop at this high and targeting lower prices, at least the equal lows, at least the London low. But you can clearly see it's failed to close below the swing lows. It just swept the swing lows one last time inside this fair value gap. As soon as it's swept, it's keep on buying higher and close above this range. So this point itself, it's clearly showed you one thing. It's going to go higher. It's not going to come lower. So what happened here is it's going up, come down, and it's one more time. Once swept the liquidity, it's printed some sort of market maker sell model like holding the price, changing state. It's keep on holding, clear out this liquidity, clear out this liquidity as well. Then it's keep on going higher and clear out my anticipated target the previous day high and this cleared engineered low resistance liquidity run. And it also flipped this big five valley gap, 1 hour five valley gap, since order flow is super bullish. So I can explain it in 15 minutes as well. It will be very clear in 15 minutes. So, so this is what we have in 15 minutes, bro. So this is our 15 minutes time frame, daily five valley gap. This is the previous day price action. This is 1 hour five valley gap, 50% level, good push, failed to clear up this liquidity. Instead, it's engineered the liquidity come all the way down, swept the low, previous day low, get into this daily fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. Once it get into the full bullish value, what happened here? Clean inversion, invert this fair value gap, and it's leave this bullish fair value gap. It's keep on holding. It's keep on holding. You can clearly see it's keep on holding. And this is the 1 hour fair value gap that is also flipped here. And this is the swing which gave the change in the state, right? It's keep on holding, gave the structure shift, come all the way down. Here, when the market open, at exactly 9:30, it's flipped all the fair value gap right here. Good push to the upside, come down, pull back, flip all the fair value gap, and one manipulation leg to the downside, sweep all the liquidity, and it's print SMT. It's inversion. It's keep on going higher, close above this range, and it's continuing higher, high inside this 1 hour fair value gap. It gives some sort of reaction. It print high, print a low. If the market is really want to go lower, we got the inversion. It should give the change the state with big displacement in order to see lower prices at least to this low. But unfortunately, what happened here is since order flow is higher, price not doing anything for me. Print a high, print a low, sweep the high, come one more time, swap the low. It's not even break and displace lower, not even create any fair value gap. So we don't need to worry about going for buying. And it's flip the fair value gap instantly, go all the way up towards my anticipated target. This is in 15 minutes. What about 1 hour? 1 hour, it's even clear. Okay. Previous day, exactly 50%. It's give a really nice reaction. Since it's engineered like it's give really nice reaction towards upside. Try to clear up this high. Come on, last time. Flip this fair value gap. Flip this fair value gap is nothing in 4 hours. There is nothing, so you don't need to worry about that. It's come all the way down. As soon as it's reached the 1 hour, sorry, daily fair value gap, what happened? Instantly, it's kind of displays higher. Flip this fair value gap here, and that flipped fair value gap continuously holding the price. There is no candle close below this range. The next following 2 hours, it's just digging down, and it start to displace higher. And inside this fair value gap, it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 hours. It stayed inside this range. Then it started to move higher. Almost 3 hours. Then almost 3 hours it's reacting inside this range. Then it started to move higher exactly like 2 o'clock. 2, 3, 4. It's reached my target in PM session. So you can clearly see 1 hour fair value gap 50% level. That's rejected. Inversion in one inversion in. So places inside the daily fair value gap. 1 hour fair value gap got got flipped, and it's keep on rejecting here, which means and indicates it's wanted to go higher. And if it flips this favor, if it get flipped, we can expect higher prices since it has a lot of load resistance. We can expect clearly higher prices. As per my wish, it's flip this fair value gap here, and it's keep on going higher. M15 at this point of time, M15 fair value flipped flipped, but 1 hour it's not. It's kind of accumulated for 3 to 4 hours. Then it started to move higher. 4 hour. So in 4 hour, you can clearly see what in 4 hour. This is a news candle. It's Friday. Good pump. It's Monday, right? It's Monday. It's give a really nice section. It's 50% level in 1 hour. 1 hour February. 1 hour February. Yeah. Very clear of this liquidity. Instead, it's come lower on last time. Previously low. Swept price inside the 1 hour. Still inside this family gap, right? And it's keep on going higher. Clear out TP1. It's going to go TP2, and this is also the low resistance. It's going to go higher and higher, I guess. Really, we clearly see the reason why we need to go for bullish today. All-time high. It's from this point itself. It's a doji candle, right? It's started reverse its direction. Inversion. It's keep on selling towards downside. As soon as it's swept this low, as soon as it's swept like this is some order block or something like that. Down block. Might be an order block or not. I don't know, bro. It's exactly come and sweep this low, and it gave some really nice reaction inside this thing. Good reaction towards upside, and price inside the bullish fair value, sorry, bearish fair value gap, getting tapped. Next day, the Monday, it's nice selling, which leaves this fair value gap open. As soon as it's feed the USD lower, get into this daily fair value gap, it's give a really nice bullish reaction. So this is the reason why price inside the daily bullish fair value gap. So I need to be bullish. It's not only daily. It's not only daily, bro. It's actually 4 hour, 1 hour, and all time frame. It's still a fair value gap. It's not even get flat. After Monday candle, it's leave this fair value gap open, so we can expect this fair value gap to hold and pushing higher since the draw liquidity is higher. It's clearly print this engineering the liquidity. So that's the reason why I was bullish in the morning. So the only reason which I'm expected, which was not happened, is nothing but it's nothing. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's 9:50. Yeah, man. Yeah. The only thing which I expected in today's price action was I expected some sort of major liquidity to sweep in order to see higher. I was bullish today. So I'm willing to see higher prices. I know that, but because the price inside of no family app, it's a lot of things is there. But I like to see one thing before the price going to go higher. Before price going to go higher like this, I should like to see price come lower first to sweep some sort of liquidity and go higher. So according to me, the London low is the clean liquidity like the equal lows. So London low is some sort of liquidity, and this Asian low is also some sort of liquidity. So I like to see some sort of liquidity to take after the market open. I like to see some sort of liquidity to take first. After I get in some sort of model, I can target some higher prices. That's my game plan. But unfortunately, price first pump up, not dump, just pump up. I consider it as a swept. This is very interpretable. First position is not good. It's really bad. Second is also not good because it's only sweep the Asian high low. It's not even get up to this level. This is the major level you have to look up for. It's not even get up to get into that level. Got into that level. This is just a manipulation leg. So according to me, I expected this is a clean market with a sell model. So it was like it's holding the price at least go lower towards some sort of session lows, so I can go for buy. That's the reason why I actually trusted this model, even though I was super bullish. But unfortunately, it's printed SMT here, inversion. It's clean inversion with big displacement, both fairly upholding the price. And it's obviously give higher prices. This is the change in the state, right? This is about changing the state, and this just manipulation. It's keep on going higher, bro. So the reason why he was not able to the reason why I was a bit confused today. Even though I was bullish, I like to see some sort of major liquidity to sweep in order to see high prices, but unfortunately, it didn't swept any sort of major liquidity. But according to higher time frame, it is also good zone, bro. You can clearly see that, right? You can clearly see that. This is the current leg. This is the current leg. It break the previous structure, right? Low, high, low, break. So this low continuously getting protected because this is the swing that gave the change in the state, and it's pulled back. It's continuously getting protected, right? Yeah, it's pulling back. The lost fair value gap that holding the price now got ran to, right? What happened here? The lost fair value gap that holding the price now got ran through, change the state. It's keep on going high. That's nice, but this is just a manipulation leg. I was supposed to be aware about. This is purely the manipulation leg, bro. Hello. Really sees change the state, come to the discounter level. Come to the discounter level. Boom. Okay. So yeah, that's the problem. That's what I expected in the morning. I like to see some sort of major liquidity to swap, but it's unfortunately swept this liquidity because this is a swing which gives the change the state because it's already in 15 minutes fair value gaps. It's already give really nice reaction. So rather than sweeping this low price, just print SMT here, swap this low, swap this low, market opening low on this low, then it start to move towards upside and close below this range, which means the change the state again, and let's keep on going higher. Good push to the upside, pull back, go one more time, sweep the high, flip all the fair value, come down. If it's big, it should create a fair value gap and it should create some sort of liquidity to the downside, but it's just the price action to sweep some sort of liquidity to the downside in order to go higher. That's it. That's the major mistake that I'm expecting for some good sweep, good level to take, but it just sweeps some level because this is the current the current break. This is the current swing which gives the change in the state. That's flow continuously getting protected. Give 90% retracement, 1998, 90% retracement, right? It started print the market model here, but the next two candles just manipulated me. SMT inversion, it's keep on going higher. That's it, bro. Have fun. We'll see tomorrow.